First problem, if the area of the triangle formed by the straight lines x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equals to a when a greater than 0 is 6, then find the value of a. So, if the area of the triangle formed by the lines, so here three lines are given, the lines are x is equals to 0, y is equals to 0 and 3x plus 4y is equals to a. These are the given, and also given that the area of the triangle formed by these three lines. So here this is the triangle formed by the given line with the coordinate axis, and now we want to find the area of the triangle here, and we are equating that value to 6 to get the value of a. So already here we know that the area of the triangle formed by the line ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 with the coordinate axis is c square by 2 mod ab. By applying this formula we can find the area of the triangle. So first I write the given line. So here given line is 3x plus 4y is equals to a, that is 3x plus 4y minus a is equals to 0. Given that area is equals to 6, that is c square by 2 mod ab is equals to 6. Now replacing the values, what is c value? A is equals to 3, b is equal to 4, c is equals to minus a. C square, a square by 2 into 3 into 4 equals to 6. That is a square by 24 is equals to 6. Then the value of a square is equals to 144, which implies the value of a is equals to root 144 equals to only plus 12, since already given that a greater than 0. Since a greater than 0, we take the value of a is equals to 12 only. Therefore, a is equals to 12. That's all. A straight line passing through the point a minus 2, 1 makes an angle of 30 degrees with the OX in the positive direction. Find the points on the straight line whose distance from a is 4 units. A straight line passing through the point a minus 2, 1. Now, this is the straight line passing through the point. Makes an angle 30 degrees with the OX, with the x-axis. The line makes an angle 30 with the x-axis in the positive direction with the positive x-axis. Then find the points on the straight line whose distance from A is 4 units. Now we want to find the points on this line which are at a distance of 4 units from this point here. Now we want to find these 2 points, P, Q. Now the formula for finding these 2 points is x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. The points on the line at a distance of r units from x1, y1, 4 units from minus 2, 1. So we are finding the points by applying this formula, where theta is the angle made by the line with the x-axis. Now by applying this formula, we are finding the points values. So first we are writing the given data, given that. So point on the line, we are taking this point as x1, y1. x1, y1 is equals to minus 2, 1. And distance is equals to 4. Distance means r, and r is equals to 4. Distance r is equals to 4. Therefore required points are, the formula is x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Now replacing the values, minus 2 plus or minus 4 into cos 30, and also given that theta is equals to 30 here, and 1 plus or minus 4 into sin 30, and this is equals to minus 2 plus or minus 4 into cos 30 value root 3 by 2, and 1 plus or minus 4 into sin 30 value 1 by 2. Minus 2 plus or minus 4 into root 3 by 2. This is cancelled by 2 times. Now this is minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 3 comma 1 plus or minus 2. That is the first point is minus 2 plus 2 root 3 comma 1 plus 2, and the second point is minus 2 minus 2 root 3 comma 1 minus 2. Therefore the points are, first point minus 2 plus 2 root 3 comma 1 plus 2, that is 3, and the second point minus 2 minus 2 root 3 comma 1 minus 2, that is minus 1. That's all. Next problem, a straight line passing through the point a1 comma minus 2 makes an angle tan inverse 4 by 3 with the positive direction of the x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Find the points on the line whose distance from A is equals to 5. The straight line, given that the straight line passing through the point a1 comma minus 2. Now this is the straight line that passes through the point a1 comma minus 2 and makes an angle tan inverse of 4 by 3 with the positive x-axis in the anti-clockwise direction. Now in the anti-clockwise direction is in the positive direction. So given that theta is equals to tan inverse of 4 by 3, then the value of tan theta is equals to 4 by 3. And now find the points on the line whose distance from A is 5. Now we want to find the points on this line which are at a distance of 5 units from the point A1 comma minus 2. So here also we take the same formula, which is x1 plus or minus r cos theta comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Here r is equals to distance value, that is given as 5, and theta is equals to, here theta value is not given directly but given the value of tan theta. So from this value we can take the values of cos theta, sin theta. So here opposite adjacent 4, 3, then the value of hypotenuse is 5. So from this the value of sin theta is equal to 4 by 5 and the value of cos theta is equal to 3 by 5. Therefore, first we are writing a given data. Given that point on the line, that is x1, y1 is equals to 1 comma minus 2 and the distance r is equals to 5 and theta value is given as tan inverse of 4 by 3. Then the value of tan theta is equals to 4 by 3. Therefore, we take the values of sin theta comma cos theta. Therefore, sin theta is equals to opposite by hypotenuse, that is 4 by 5, and cos theta value adjacent by hypotenuse, that is 3 by 5. Therefore, required points are, this is the formula x1 plus or minus r cos theta and y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Now replacing the values, 1 plus or minus 5 into cos theta, 3 by 5, and minus 2 plus or minus 5 into sin theta, 4 by 5, and this is equals to 1 plus or minus 3 and minus 2 plus or minus 4. That is 1 plus 3 comma minus 2 plus 4, and the second point is 1 minus 3 comma minus 2 minus 4. Therefore the points are, first point is 4 comma 2 and the second point is minus 2 comma minus 6. That's all. Next problem, find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0 which are at a distance of 5 units from the point 3 comma 2. Find the points on the line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This is the given line 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Find the points on this line. We want to find the points on this line which are at a distance of 5 units from the point 3 comma 2. Now we want to find the points of P comma Q. Now these two points are at a distance of 5 units from the point 3 comma 2. So here also we take the same formula, x1 plus or minus r cos theta and y1 plus or minus r sin theta. x1 y1 is equals to 3 comma 2 and r is equals to 5. Now what is theta value? So here theta value is not given, but here we have the line equation. From the line equation we take the slope value. What is slope value? M is equals to minus a by b, that is minus 3 by minus 4, 3 by 4. M is equal to 3 by 4. But what is M? Tan theta. Tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. From that we are taking the values of sin theta, cos theta directly. So this is the given data. Therefore given that the point on the line, that is x1 y1. x1 y1 is equals to 3 comma 2 and the distance r is equals to 5 and line is given here. Given line is 3x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. So first we take the slope value to this line. Slope m is equals to minus a by b. This is the formula. That is minus 3 by minus 4. A is equal to 3, B is equal to minus 4. That is 3 by 4. But what is M? Tan theta. So here clearly we have the tan theta is equals to 3 by 4. From this we are taking the values of sin theta and cos theta. Opposite adjacent. So the hypotenuse value 5. Therefore sin theta is equals to 3 by 5 opposite by hypotenuse and cos theta is equals to 4 by 5 adjacent by hypotenuse. Therefore required points are, we take the formula here. The formula is x1 plus or minus r cos theta comma y1 plus or minus r sin theta. Now replacing the values, x1 3 plus or minus 5 into cos theta 4 by 5 and 2 plus or minus 5 into 3 by 5 and this is equals to 3 plus or minus 4 comma 2 plus or minus 3, which is 3 plus 4 comma 2 plus 3 and 3 and 3 minus 4 comma 2 minus 3. Therefore the points are, first point is 7 comma 5 and the second point is minus 1 comma minus 5. That's it.